How to prevent dandruff and dry scalp. Dandruff and dry scalp are common hair and scalp issues that affect millions of people worldwide. While these conditions are not typically serious, they can be uncomfortable and sometimes embarrassing due to visible flakes and itching. Fortunately, with proper care and lifestyle adjustments, dandruff and dry scalp can be managed effectively. This article explores the causes, preventive measures, and treatments for these issues. Understanding dandruff and dry scalp. Dandruff is a condition where white or yellow flakes of dead skin shed from the scalp. It is often caused by a combination of factors, including excessive oil production, fungal growth, such as malassezia, and sensitivity to hair products. Dandruff can also worsen due to stress or poor hygiene. Dry scalp, on the other hand, occurs when the scalp lacks sufficient moisture, leading to itching, irritation, and flaking. Unlike dandruff, these flakes are typically smaller and white. Causes of dry scalp include cold weather, excessive washing, use of harsh hair products, and underlying skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. Although these conditions may look similar, their causes differ, and so do their treatments. Preventing them requires targeted care tailored to the underlying issue. Effective prevention strategies. 1. Choose the right shampoo and conditioner. The products you use can make or break your scalp health. For dandruff, use a medicated shampoo that contains active ingredients such as zinc pyrithione, reduces fungus and bacteria. Ketoconazole, antifungal properties help combat malassezia. Salicylic acid, gently exfoliates dead skin cells. Coal tar or selenium sulfide, slows skin cell turnover. If you have a dry scalp, opt for hydrating shampoos and conditioners that are free from sulfates and harsh chemicals. Look for ingredients like aloe vera for hydration and soothing. Glycerin and natural oils, e.g. coconut oil, argan oil, for moisturization. Hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture. Alternate between dandruff shampoos and gentle, nourishing shampoos to avoid overdrying the scalp. 2. Maintain a healthy hair washing routine. Overwashing or underwashing your hair can trigger scalp problems. For dandruff, wash your hair 2 to 3 times per week using a medicated shampoo. This helps control oil buildup and reduces fungal growth. For dry scalp, limit hair washing to 2 to 3 times per week to retain natural oils. Use lukewarm water instead of hot water, which can strip moisture from the scalp. Massage your scalp gently during washing to improve blood circulation and distribute natural oils. 3. Hydrate and moisturize regularly. Hydration is key to preventing a dry scalp. Apply natural oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, or argan oil to your scalp before washing your hair. These oils penetrate deeply and provide long-lasting moisture. For an extra boost, use a leave-in conditioner or scalp serum designed for hydration. Avoid alcohol-based products, as they can dry out the scalp further. If you've watched this video this far, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. 4. Adopt a balanced diet. Your diet plays a significant role in scalp health. Include the following in your meals: omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. These nourish the scalp and reduce dryness. Zinc, present in shellfish nuts and seeds. Zinc helps regulate oil production. Vitamin B, found in eggs, bananas, and avocados. B vitamins promote scalp health. Antioxidants, foods like berries, spinach, and green tea protect against oxidative stress, which can exacerbate dandruff and dry scalp. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is equally essential. 5. Protect your scalp from environmental factors. Cold weather and dry air can exacerbate dry scalp issues. During winter, use a humidifier indoors to maintain moisture levels in the air. Protect your scalp by wearing a hat or scarf when going outside in cold weather. Avoid prolonged exposure to direct sunlight, which can dry out the scalp. If you're spending time in the sun, use a hair product with UV protection or wear a hat. 6. Minimize stress. Stress can trigger dandruff by weakening your immune system and exacerbating conditions like seborrheic dermatitis. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as meditation or yoga. Regular physical exercise. Sufficient sleep. A relaxed mind often leads to better skin and scalp health. 7. Avoid harsh chemicals and heat styling. Frequent use of chemical treatments, such as coloring, perming, or straightening, can damage the scalp's natural barrier. Similarly, excessive heat styling dries out the scalp. Use heat protectant sprays when styling and limit the use of hot tools. Switch to gentle, natural hair products that are free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances. When to seek professional help. If dandruff or dry scalp persists despite your best efforts, it's time to consult a dermatologist. Persistent issues could indicate underlying conditions like psoriasis, eczema, or fungal infections that require medical treatment. A dermatologist may recommend stronger medicated shampoos, topical steroids, or oral antifungal medications. In some cases, they might suggest light therapy or other advanced treatments. DIY home remedies. In addition to store-bought products, consider trying these natural remedies. Apple cider vinegar. Mix equal parts water and vinegar and use it as a rinse to balance scalp pH. Tea tree oil. Add a few drops to your shampoo for its antifungal properties. Aloe vera gel. Apply directly to the scalp for soothing and hydrating benefits. Yogurt mask. Apply plain yogurt to the scalp for its cooling and probiotic properties. Always test a small amount on your skin first to check for allergies. Final thoughts. Preventing dandruff and dry scalp requires a combination of proper hygiene, product selection, and lifestyle choices. By understanding the specific needs of your scalp and adopting a consistent routine, you can minimize flakes, itching, and discomfort. Remember, consistency is key. With time and care, your scalp can become healthier, allowing you to enjoy flake-free, nourished hair. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, bye.
you.